All right, here we go, boy.
Take the field, baby. Take the field, take the field.
Go get him, go get him. Henry, get your glove. Henry, get your glove, get your glove. You need to warm up the outfielders. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Hold on, he's coming. Yes. Practice pitches. Right here. Play catch with Judd. Play catch with Judd. What's going on, Blue?
How are you?
Another fun day, right?
I remember you were like that.
I know. Here we go. We okay. We're okay. Here we go. Let's go, Angels. Aren't you ready? Get ready, Tim. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Connie's coming your way. Judd, get ready. Joel, he's hitting this way. All right, Milo, you good? You good? Stay in there. All right. That's two. All right, Miles, just get it in there. Just get it in there. You got a good defense behind you. Get it in, cut off. Walk it in, walk it in, walk it in. It's all right. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's all right. It's all right. You good, you good, you good.
Back up a little bit, Tim, to your left a little bit, Tim, to your left a little bit. There you go.
Uh-huh.
Robert, play it first.
Right there, Robert. Right there, right there.
Play it first.
Hey, cover third. You got to back up third, Tim.
Hey, he missed it, man, on second. We get on third, Robert. Let's go.
Keep an eye on that runner, Robert. No, if that runner runs, you got to let Robert know. Cover third. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it.
Good job. Hey. You better tag him, man.
You're doing good, Milo. You're doing good, Milo. Stay right in there. Stay right in there. Pick it up.
I lost it. The ball was in play. They wouldn't let me go back to my.
Catch still home.
I'm gonna have to go in. It's fine as long as I get a first count.
Here we go. Here we go. Still 2 strikes, Milo. Right in there. Put it in there. It's all right. It's all right. No outs. Runners at first and third. Where's the play, boys? Joe. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Back to the pitcher. Yeah. All right, here we go.
Let's go, Robert.
All right, Milo. You in your zone. Let's go now. Let's go.
Wait on it, AJ. Wait back. Wait on it.
Bring it down. Bring it down. Follow all the way through on that pitch.
Play it first. Play it first. Play it first.
That's it. That's all right. All right, all right, all right. Milo. It's good. Joe. Here we go. Here we go. Connor.
Milo, take your time, buddy. I love it, Milo. Play it first.
Hey, Connor. Watch for the ball coming off of that grass, okay? Watch for that skip. Get ready, Jack. Stay right there, Milo. Stay right there. Stay right there.
I love it, Milo. I love it, Milo. Look, give me one more, Milo. Play it first.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 2-2.
Here we go, Sam. Make contact. Here we go.
All right. Well, Milo, it's 2 outs. Boys, where's the play? Let's get him in first. Get him in first.
First base. Go. Man, first base.
Come all the way down with it, Milo. Just a little high. That's it.
Good catch, Nick. I like it, Nick.
Nick. Hold the glove down, son. Right there. Oh. Woo. Here we go.
Good catch, Nick. I love it, man.
Little outside. Don't lose it, Milo. Just put it right in there. Put it right in there. Put it right in there. Base is loaded. Play at any base, boys.
Any base. Robert, tell me you step on third.
Blue.
Any base.
Any base. Watch that wrist, Milo. Watch that wrist. That's it. That's it.
Come on, Milo.
Let's go, infield.
Good catch, Nick. Back there, Nick. Go on, Milo. One more, baby. One
Same
more.
pitch.
Come on, Milo. Play it. Any base.
Good. All right, bring it in, Angels. Do it. Get in there. Here we go.
I mean, you can. I guess it's
Good eye, good eye, Noah. Good eye, good eye.
the batter. Just look at Alex's glove. Just like warm up.
Right, now you're ready.
Stand up. Austin, back
Get on it, Noah. Get on it. If it's in there, get it.
Center field.
You got two on you, Noah. Let's protect. I want you to swing that bat. Ooh.
Hey, you took something off of that. That was a different pitch. Every time. Same thing.
Good eye, good eye, good eye.
Almost. Come on, slam it down. Let's
Noah, move in a little closer to the plate. A little closer, a little closer. Right there. All right, all right.
Ball batter. Nothing you can do. Hey, motion looks good. You're doing fine. Here we go. Good job, Sammy.
Who's up? Who's up? Let's go, Connor.
Cam Silva. He's stealing. Macy, if he runs, you gotta yell, okay? Let everyone know he's going. Cam Silva, you gotta cover the bag.
Here we go, here we go.
No runner, no runner. Hold the ball. Hey, Alex, it's a short backstop. If he's running, you may be able to throw him out, okay? Were you there, Cam? Doris,
Hold
hold
it.
the ball. Cam Shapiro, I need you backing him up, not next to him. You're not his buddy, you're his backup. Hold it, hold it, hold
Stay up, stay up.
Cam,
No.
aiming it. Don't aim it. Just repeat the motion. Come on. Stare at Alex's glove and throw the ball. One at a time. Work your way back.
You watching me, Noah.
Hey, Tanner. He steals third. He's covering the bag.
Come on, Connor.
Throw, if there comes a throw to third, you need to be backing it up, okay? Right there, all day.
Step out, Connor.
All day. Come
Step
on.
out. You ready? Swing. Let's go.
Work too hard now. Finish it. Let's go. Here we go. Shake it out. Man, back
Let's go, Joel.
Casey, back a couple.
Let's go now.
We want to keep it on the infield. Make a play. Let's get it out. Come on, that way. That way. That way. Keep going. Back. Now back. Right there. Good.
Let's go, Joel.
Force it any base. You got to force it any base. Lead it. Let's go.
Here we go, here we go. All right. Hold it back, Joel. Back, 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 back. Be patient on it.
Hard. Here you go.
You got two on you.
Hit hard. Go get it, Elijah.
Go, 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 go.
Hold the ball.
Here we go, Joel. Let's go, Robert.
Gotta try to catch that in the air. Get the out. Come on.
Connor.
Watch the runner. No runner. No runner. Tanner, you gotta be on the bag. The catcher. Once it gets by the batter, Tanner.
Let's go, Robert.
Once it gets by the batter, you're covering third. Good. You're doing much better, Sam. Here we go, buddy. You're doing great. Let's go. Red Sox, let's be aggressive. Let's make a play.
Let's go, Robert. Swing that bat. all right, you on it. Stay back on it. Stay back on it and swing.
Cam, you're doing great. Keep it up. Here we go, Red Sox. Let's make a play right here. Be ready.
We can still run. We can still run.
There we go.
We can still run. We can still run. Connor, watch me.
Hey, Tanner, where you going with the ball?
Watch me.
Cam and Cam, where you going with the ball? Second base. Attaboy. Stand on, stand up. Elijah, be ready. Hey, as soon as you get that ball, that runner from second, he's going home. If it's a base hit out here, you got to get it
Let's
in.
go. Go, 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 go. Oh, go, 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 go. Slap. Yeah.
Alex, runner, run. Hey. Once that runner's safe, think about the other ones,
He
right?
hesitated.
I want to go so bad.
Good job, way to knock
I
it
want you
down.
to get ready to go, though. It's 2 outs. You got to go.
Hey, we got two
Go
in
on
the
hit.
wagon, 2 out.
I got to go because he wasn't looking.
We got to
No.
play it first or second. Tanner, you got to play it first or
Here we
second.
go, here we go, here we go.
Not a third anymore.
You can't run. You can't run. You can't run. No.
Oh, where's my...
You can't steal home.
You can't?
No. Get ready to go, though. It's 2 outs. It's 2 outs. We're running on the crack of the bat.
That's an aim, Sam. That's an aim. You can see it every time when you aim. Come on. Rocket fire. Be aggressive. All right, shake it off. Here we go. Battle back. One at a time. Battle back.
I wanted that other run. Come on, Nick. That was outside. That was outside. Come on. Be aggressive with it.
Harder into the ground. Where you want, Daniel? Violent into the ground. All right, shake it off. Hey.
Bases
Come on,
loaded.
next battle. Here we go. You all right? All right, here we go. Let's finish this inning right now.
All right.
Infield, any base. Any base. Let's get it out.
Stay in tight, Mal. Stay in tight.
Outfield. We're looking forward. On a base hit, we're looking home. Good start. Good
All right, all right. Way to move. Foul.
Good start, Sam. Don't back down. Come on, be strong. Cam, Shapiro. Keep going. Right there. Casey, can't make a play with a glove behind you. Come on. Be ready to make a play. All right.
Good eye, good eye, good eye.
Don't waste any more. Here we go. Go get him. Hey, just look at Alex. Shoot that pitch.
Mm-hmm. Good eye.
Come on. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right here. Right here. Come on. You
What we
can do
got?
it.
2
Play
balls?
catch with Alex. Let's go.
Okay.
That first, I thought that was mine.
Yeah, you swung too soon. Your timing was off.
I thought it was mine.
Yep. All right. Stay in there. Stay up on the plate. Stay up on the plate.
Fine. Right here. Here we go.
Good jog home. Good try, catch. Great effort. Miles, come on. Miles, stay in there. Stay in there. Stay up on that plate. Stay tough. Watch for your pitch. Watch for your pitch. Good. Take your base.
Come on.
Let's go, Jet. Stay in there and stay tough, okay? Here we go. Here we go. Good eye. Good eye. Oh, I wanted Connor to score. But that lets them know that we will run. Good eye, good eye, good eye.
All right. Come on. Right here. Battle back. ready, please.
All right. You own it. You own it.
Good job, Sam. Come on. Two more. Here we go. Let him hit it. We'll make the play. We'll make the play. Back up 2 steps, Cam Shapiro.
You got a lot of lift. It's to the bottom of the lift.
All right, here we go. One at a time.
Go home. Go home. Yeah, go. Come on, Nick.
Get us out of this.
Come on, Tim.
You can do it.
Tim, be patient up there, okay? Get in there.
Don't worry about anything.
Flat back. There you go. That's it.
You gotta worry about it. Nice. Attaboy. That's the toughness I'm looking for. I want to see if you can throw the strike after the walk. Come on.
Good eye. You're good. Good.
High to low. Let's go. Got to stay on our toes, Red Sox. Got to make a play. If he puts it in play, let's go. We got 2 outs. Good job, Sam.
Out in front of it.
Finish strong. Finish strong right here.
You know where you need it at.
Gotta have the killer instinct here, Sam. Gotta have the killer instinct. Attaboy.
It's all right. It's all right. Whoa. Henry is next. Here we go, Joe. Keep it down in there.
Hey, walk it off. Walk
It's off his knee. It's off his knee. Back.
Good play. Hey, eyes in. Eyes in.
Get in that glove, Sam. Get in that glove, buddy.
Stay on that, Joe.
Ready, Robert? You ready?
I almost got him on that one. All right. Oh! Gotta catch it. Cover second.
Good
Looking
job,
at
Henry.
Henry, way to move.
Oh, way to be there, Henry.
Connor, looking into that glove.
Henry.
Joe, stay in that zone.
You're pitching up there, Joe. I love it. Let's go.
All right, Angels.
Let's go, Angels.
Ready?
1 second. Pick it up and hold it. Pick it up and hold it. Pick it up and hold it.
Stay on it. It's okay. Stay on it. Stay on it. What up? Off the rubber.
Almost.
I've got 2 or 3 things. It's still in my head.
Come on, Tim. All right, Joe, now you're good. Go for it. Your call.
Hey, don't back out of there.
Come on, Joe.
Hey, keep that foot in there. Attack the pitcher.
All right, let's do it. Let's get him out.
That's it. That's it.
Good job, buddy.
There you go. Way to go, Tim. Good job. All right, Angels, it's 1.
Hey, Elijah. Step into me, okay? Here we go.
Hey, Judd, get ready. All right, you in there now. Let's go.
I hear you.
You all right, Blue? I don't. Come on, Joe. Right. Go. Release point. Tim, get that ball back to the pitcher.
Press your defense. Let's go. Throw some cross there. Let's go.
All right, all right, all right.
Robert, gotta come inside. He comes out.
Who? Go. Let's go, Henry. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Remember, if it's up high, let it go. But you're all right. Good eye. That's a good eye. Good. He's off the rubber.
Finish the pitch. There you go. That's how you finish.
It's all right, Henry. Stay in there. Stay in there. Come on. Good eye.
Right here. Let's do it right
It's got to be perfect, Henry. It's got to be perfect. If it's not, it's all right. It's all right.
One down. Talk it up, Blue. Trayvon, pick your head up.
Let's go, Noah.
Attaboy. Tanner, gotta catch the strikes, bud.
Noah. Scooch up a little bit. That way. Toward the pitcher. Toward the pitcher. Good eye. Good eye. Good, good, good.
Battle back, Kyle. Battle
It's
back.
got to be good.
Here we go on our toes. Red Sox ready to make a play.
Come on, Noah.
Battle. Nice job. Nice job, Kyle.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Come on, Connor.
Hey, 2 and away again.
You got 2 outs, Connor. Get it going. Good eye. Good eye. Connor. Swing that bat. Good eye. Where's the ball? Yeah. All right, all right. Connor, you know he's going to try to come down the middle on you. Be ready. Good eye. All right, all right, all right.
No worries. All right, here we go. Casey, you got the cover is short, okay? Hey,
All right, Joel.
Casey and Austin, listen.
Be patient. Be patient.
You got to back it up. Don't let that ball go through.
Good, good, good.
Get it in, Cam. Get it in. Great
Hold up, hold up, hold up. Good rip, Joe. It's a good rip.
Oh, you okay?
Good rip. You okay? All right. We got 2 outs. Come to me, come to me, come to me.
Hold the ball, hold the ball, hold the ball.
Good.
No worries.
Good job, good job, good job.
Hold on, you got to cover that back. If you, on the throw, you okay?
Go, Robert. Run it out. Run, 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 run. Turn, 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 turn.
Get the ball. Hey, take it off.
Watch me.
Next time.
Watch me.
Come on. Doing great, buddy. Doing great. Don't remember again. Finish it. That's all that is different there. Finish that pitch.
All right, Robert.
Casey, a couple steps toward me.
Come, 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 come on, come on, come on, come on, go. Get down. All right. You got way more speed than that, but that's good hustle.
Ready to make the next
Yeah, all
one.
right.
Let's go. Can't wait to get it in, bud.
Let's go, Milo.
Here we go, right now.
Oh. Milo, keep your head in there.
Trayvon, be ready. Come
Keep your head in there.
Sam, be ready.
Left foot on the back, left foot on the back. Put your foot on there. There we go. All right. No, you can't steal home.
Here we go, pal. Finish it right here. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, one right here. One right here. Yes. Keep going, move, guys. Let's go.
All right, good eye. Let's go, Nick. Bring him home.
Alex, you let us know if he's for stealing. Finish that pitch. You're all right. Here we go, pal. You can finish this inning right now. Hold that. Come on, pal. Hold the ball. Hold the ball.
You up, you up, you up, you up. Way to go, way to go, way to go.
Back up. Okay, when Casey goes to cover second, you go behind him, okay?
There you go. Run, 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 run. Go, 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 go.
Here we go. Bring it in. Bring it in.
I've been skipping on that. That's a bottom. I know it.
Squeeze that ball, Tim. Squeeze it in there. Let's go, boys. Get ready, Henry. All right, all right, all right. Let's go. How we looking on time? Time. Yeah. All All right, all right.
Nice pitch. 211 now. 240 is the no limit. 240 now. We'll get him up in now. Too bad again.
Let's go, Connor. All right. Here we go, Connor.
Good job, Connor.
We'll borrow that pen if I can a second. I'll make sure we're all good. Check out the thing.
Let's go, Connor. Way to get over there, Robert.
What happened over there?
He hit the foul. Yeah. Joel. Right there. Get ready. Put it right in there, Connor. Big stride. That's it. Come on, Batter. Take your swing at it.
Now we got the hard one thrown at him.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of like this.
They're kind of like, wow.
Yeah. The first one had a little pace. The other
Mm.
one painted a little bit.
All right. That's good. That's good. Now they don't know what to do with us.
Right. I just realized I was like, that was a real good choice.
Mm-hmm. We've been stepping it up on them. Ooh, got him on the foot. It's all right. That's all right. That's all right. We got a runner on, 2 outs. Where's the play? Where's the play, Angels?
First or second?
Lefty. Look alive.
Judd on the plate first. Next time.
Mm-hmm.
Make the catch.
We're not going to throw that ball away. Oh! Hey, Joe, get dirty, man. All right, let's shut it down right here, boys. Let's go, Connor. Put it in there. Trust your defense. Let's go, defense. Ball right there. Hold the ball. To the pitcher. It's all right. Plays it first. It's all right. Way to keep it in front of you, Tim. First. All right. Bring it in. Good eye.
Hey, don't worry about it. Nothing changes with the batter in there. You're still playing catch. Let's go. Long arm.
Ready, Tanner?
Elijah, that way. A lot. Now back 2. Gotta get it up a little. Let's go. Make the adjustment.
It's 3-0, Miles. All right. Let's go, Judd.
Hold the ball. Focus on that miss. Focus on Kyle's miss. Plain catch, Cam. Plain catch. Hey, once you find that groove, you're going to be in there all day, okay? Get that first strike, and then you're good.
Jack, baseball ready, bud.
Good back up, Alec. Get a good throw. Come on, let's find a strike right here. Cover third. Team, hold the ball.
Good hustle, good hustle. Come on, Tim.
Every sour soda is there.
He steals and you catch the ball. Throw it down. Cam, stand up. Here we go. Come on.
Stay in there, Tim. Be tough.
Keep working. Keep working. Here we go. Alex, back up those throws. There you go.
Baseball
Hold it, hold it,
ready,
hold it.
Jack.
Can't go anywhere.
Good pitch, Cam. Here we go, buddy.
Here we go, here we go.
Good job.
All right, Tim. Now you're ready. You're going to swing. I want to see you go all the way through with it.
All day now. Here we go.
I want you swinging. If it's in there, I want you swinging.
Look at that runner third. Runner third.
Let's go, Henry.
Jackson. I need
Baseball
the glove in
ready.
front of you. Mike, is that outside?
You up, you up. Way to hustle, Judd. Come on, Henry.
Here we go, Phil. Throw it up. Don't aim it, Cam. Throw it hard. Here we go.
That's a good eye. That's right. Let's go, Noah. Get it going, Noah. All right, all right.
You can definitely know who he is.
Come on, Noah. Be aggressive in there. Good eye. Good eye. All right, all right. Good hustle, good hustle. All right, Noah, now you got a piece of it. Let's go. You got 2 strikes. You got to protect. There you go. Run it out, run it out, run it out, run it out. Oh, he slipped. That's all right. That's all right. Let's go, let's go. Follow through. You all right? Let's go. Nothing changes. Everything the same. All right, all right, all right. Good follow through, Judge. You got this. There you go.
They gonna come out there. See what I'm saying?
Back him up. Good throws now. Good throws, boys. Let's not get sloppy. Let's not get sloppy. Good throws.
Go, Robert. Get ready. It's coming to you.
Hustle down, hustle down, hustle down. Come on.
It's all right. Walk off the mound. Walk off the mound. Get the ball. Stay on it. Reset. Stay on it. We got to run at first base, boys.
Robert, second. Shortstop, third base, playing second.
All right. Back him up. Get ready, outfield. Good. Back to the pitcher. Back to the pitcher.
Pitcher. Playing first. Playing first. Ready, Robert. Ready, Marlo.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Way to back him up, Milo.
How much right you put your left foot on that base?
Hey, Phil, I'm thinking if we go with the bend, don't break mentality, it might work. Ooh, that was pretty.
This is a good situation to get reps, you know.
Yes, it is. How many pitches is that?
For him, just 8.
Ha! Let's go, Judd. Okay, eased up. He eased up. There you go. There you go. Ooh, a little outside.
All right, next two.
You all right. Just follow through. You're doing great.
Blaze it first, then, Phil. Blaze it first.
You are doing great.
First, baby.
Where's
First.
Noah? Where's Noah?
Ready, Colin? Noah's in center.
Who's over there? Oh,
He's gonna go in there.
okay. Yeah, that was pretty. That was a pretty pitch. Dropped it right in there. There it is.
There you go, man.
Hey, swing it like you mean it now.
Miles, you get ready to go.
First base. First base.
There we go.
See, he brought him off the bag. That's all right.
Hey, that's a good catch. Way to get it.
Way to stop it.
Sacrifice it. Hold him at first. That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, come off the bag. So
Stretch a
slow.
little bit more.
Milo, go deep.
Let's go, Robert. Coming.
Right there.
Coming. Playing second.
Good. Yeah.
To the pitcher. Playing first now. Playing first. Playing first infield.
Stick with first base. Joel, stay with first base. We're going to first. Ooh, yeah. Go, Judd. Stay on it. Stay on it. He's behind you. Walking back. There you go.
Baseball ready. Infield. Baseball ready.
All right. Yeah. Pitcher. Can't go. He 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 can't go.
Let's get on Miles.
Blue.
Changing the pitcher.
Step off the rubber. First. Perfect. Good pitch, good pitch.
I like that pitch, man. I like that pitch. Infield, get ready. Infield, get ready. It's coming. Stay on first. Stay on first.
All right, all right, all right. Get ready, Milo. Henry, get ready. Robert, y'all get ready.
Here it comes, Robert. Charge the ball. Charge the ball. It comes.
Oh! Bring it in, boys.
All right, Pace, what do you say, buddy?
That's it. That's it. Run it out.
Second base, second base, second base. Knock it down. Attaboy, good job.
All right, all right.
Good job, Austin. Pace, good job. Way to start with a strike.
Let's go, Joel.
Tim Silva, closer to second base. You've got the throw from the catcher. Elijah, that way. Elijah. There you go.
Woo. You're up, you're up, you're up.
Knock it down.
Oh, stay, 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 stay.
Run it in, run it in. Kyle talking. Run it in. Hey, you hear me say run it in?
Here we go, here we go.
I said run it in, okay? Tanner, you got to throw it right away or don't throw it, okay? Everybody ready? Everybody ready? Now you're covering third. Trayvon, back up and throw to third.
You got 2 strikes on you.
Fire this one. Hey, everything you got on this pitch. It's okay if it's a ball.
Protect.
Elijah, that way. Place to first, infield.
All right. Good job. Good job.
Get it. Yeah. Good play. Okay, make sure you get a good throw to Pacey. Good scoop. Good scoop. Hey, we got to force it any base.
You got to go on the crack. You got to go on the crack.
Cam Silva, you can go to third or second, okay?
Come on, 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 come on.
Hold the ball, hold the ball.
Good, good, good. Feeling better? That's why I held you. I wasn't sure if you were feeling okay. Let's go, Robert.
Get it.
Robert, stay back on it. Stay back and swing. Robert, stay back and swing. Now, let's go. Good eye, good eye, good eye. Come on back. Way to move out. Way to move out. That's good.
Okay, here we go. You're doing great. You're doing great.
Let's go, Robert. Stay on that back foot. Now you on it. You got 2 strikes on you. You got to protect. Good eye, good eye.
Come on, get it up. You're doing great, Pace. Come on.
Good eye, good eye, good eye.
Make the adjustment, okay? Here we go. Need one here.
Come on back. It's looking good. It's looking good. Come on, Robert.
It's okay. Take it off. Here we go.
All right, all right.
Get back in that strike throwing zone. Here we go.
Bring it in, boys.
Bring